Hi everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today for our dinner I bought a cooking recipe that is chicken 𝙤𝙤𝙘𝙠𝙚𝙤𝙤 liver and chicken legs. So I'm going to mix with these potatoes and tomatoes, onions, and this coriander leaves and this green chili. So I put first oil and then I keep onions, I give salt and I mix it properly, and then I give green chili and ginger paste and I will mix it properly again. And after that, after mixing it properly, I gave some ingredients, that is jeera and masalas, and also meat masalas, turmeric, and then I mix it properly again. I cook it for 5 minutes. I give turmeric again and I mix it properly, and then I keep for 5 minutes. And first tomatoes, I cook these tomatoes properly, I mix, and then our tomatoes is done, and then at last I give tomatoes, potatoes and every chicken. So I mix it properly again. After mixing it properly, I will cook this for more than 30 minutes, and so I'm going to cover this. This is our yummy cooking recipe is done. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.